Hi everyone, welcome back to pronunciation workshop. I have finished 15 season in pronunciation workshop. From today, I will learn about Teams pronunciation workshop. It will support for us some notes pronunciation to speak fluently and native version. Today, I will learn about 6 rules of Teams pronunciation note. I will share with you. The first rule that when words and words are unstressed, they are pronounced with stress as words and word. Example, when you want to talk that you was thinking I was going to have an accident, or you can speak that you are thinking I am going to have an accident. It will more fluently. The second rule that is the most common sound in English. It's never stressed and is in all kinds of words from article and preposition to nouns with more than syllable. Example, that was a mistake, but a tasty one. Can be speak that is a mistake, but a tasty one. The third rule that when you speak the in English, when unstressed, the pronunciation of the before a consonant sounds we speak that the. But before the vowel sound, we will speak that the. You can the apple. Some example that the apple, the sun, the sea, the younger, and some other example. The fourth rule that when a word ends with R sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound, and R sound is sometimes added even if there is no R in the spelling. Example, when you speak that I saw a good film last night. There will be added about saw and it will speak as I saw a good film. I saw a good film last night. The fifth rule that's linking are words that are spelled with an R at the end. Use the R sound to link to the next word if that word begins with a vowel. Example, can somebody call for an ambulance? It will speak as can somebody call for an ambulance? The finally rule I learned today that's a 6 rule. When a word ends in T and the next word begins with P, the two sounds come together with a T, changing to P. Example, I think I have a split personality. We will speak that I think I have a split personality. Is the final of my test. Thanks for listening and see you again.